Intro. How to edit videos like a pro. Tips and tricks for beginners.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit videos like a pro using some simple tips and tricks. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced video editor, this tutorial is for you. So, let's get started.
Part 1. Choosing the right editing software.
Before you start editing, you need to choose the right software for your needs. In this section, I'll go over some of the most popular video editing software options and help you decide which one is right for you.
Part 2. Importing and organizing your footage.
Once you've chosen your editing software, it's time to import your footage and organize it in a way that makes sense. In this section, I'll show you how to import your footage, create a project file, and organize your clips so that you can easily find what you need.
Part 3. Basic editing techniques.
Now that you have your footage organized, it's time to start editing. In this section, I'll show you some basic editing techniques such as cutting, trimming, and rearranging clips.
I'll also show you how to add transitions, music, and sound effects to your video.
Part 4. Advanced editing techniques. Once you've mastered the basics, it's time to take your editing skills to the next level. In this section, I'll show you some advanced editing techniques such as color grading, adding special effects, and creating motion graphics.
Part 5. Exporting your video. Congratulations! You finished editing your video.
Now it's time to export it and share it with the world. In this section, I'll show you how to export your video in the right format for YouTube, video, or any other platform you want to share it on. Outro. That's it for today's video, guys.
I hope you found this tutorial helpful.
If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more video editing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching video.